In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore your files in Windows 10. To quickly get started, search for Backup Settings and click on the Backup Settings. Here it will take you to the backup folder. Now you need to click on Add a Drive and add a drive that you want to back up. If you have an external drive that you want to back up, you can connect it to your PC and it will show here. After you select the drive, click on More Options. First, you'll see an option for backup my files. This is by default set to every hour. You can choose when the backup happens. You can choose the custom time or you can leave it on the default. You can choose to keep the backup files for however long that you want. By default, it is set forever. You can also change it for any time of duration that you want. Now here it will show you all the files or folders that will back up. If you want to select a separate folder only, then you can remove all these. After you remove the files and folders that you don't want to back up, now you can choose the folder that you want to back up. Click on this plus and choose the folder. Now I've chosen the folder called the background music. You can also choose the folders that you want to exclude if you have a lot of backup files. This will be a lot easier way. Now after you're done, you can click on backup now. It will take some time to back up if you have a lot of folders. After the backup is complete, I'll show you by deleting the folder and how you can restore it. I backed up this folder. Now if I shift delete this, I can easily retrieve this folder by clicking on home and then click on history. The folder I've just deleted has now shown up here. To recover it, select the folder and then click on this restore button. As soon as you do that, you can see that the background music folder has been restored.